Hello, everybody. This is a special unboxing from beautiful Albuquerque, New Mexico. Let's not look at a roof. Let's look at those beautiful mountains out to the east. I am in Albuquerque for the Matchbox convention. I am in my room, hence the echo. And I've got a couple of boxes to open. This is the first. I am doing some catch up on Matchbox cases. A&J Toys sent the V case, and for the next video, the W case. I want to do both. This is the first video. Ken sent these over. I brought them with me to Albuquerque, and now we are going to open them up. Well, the background is just the couch in my hotel room. Who cares, right? Let's just take a look at these models. I think I've done showcases on this case, like these models. I haven't really done it on the W case, so that will be the next video. But I do want to show you this unboxing. Yeah, see, these are some cool models that are just barely showing up in stores right now. And I just wanted to show you the case. So we've done the showcase, right, with these. These are fantastic. So 24 count case from Matchbox. We're going to see what the assortments are, see if the most desirable models are in multiples, right? That's the key. I have seen remnants of this mix at Walmart, at a couple of Walmarts, but let's just get right to it. So we start with two of the Mazda MX-5 Miata in black. Love the black color, love the gold rims, love the casting in general. And then how cool is this? I remember this from the showcase. This is the 2008 Holden VE Ute SSV, and I just love the deco on this one, and I'm really impressed that it got everything. Got rear, side, and front, and I just love those rims. Next, I think it's important to have two McLarens, and we do. McLaren 720S Spider. This case is loaded, by the way. The new models in this are just insane. 2010 Ford F-150 Animal Control Truck, blah, blah, blah. This is awesome. Glad there's two. Love the color, love the casting, love the wheels. That thing is a winner. All right. You guys also, even more so than the McLaren, definitely wanted the MBX Mini Swisher to be in multiples. And of course, I'm kidding. So, two of those and one of the 1975 Chevy Caprice. Love the Caprice. Looks like there's only one. And two of the Swisher. You win some, you lose some, right? And I've always said, the assortments, there's reasons they do what they do. I think they have to know that collectors aren't going to be too excited about this, but I'm sure that maybe they'll sell in the store. All right, Honda Civic hatchback, we're not going to buy them. Honda Civic hatchback in white, nice. This is rad. Love the Corvette. 2020 Corvette C8 in red. Like the blue. I think I even like the red better. And then the 1941 Cadillac Series 62 convertible coupe. Art is so cool on these. But it would have been nice to have two Corvettes. The Corvette is incredibly popular. So is this one. I haven't seen even a sign of this thing in the stores. This is the Ford Bronco. I think we talked about this when I did the showcase. This puts the Matchbox to shame. The Hot Wheels to shame. No offense. Still a cool model, but this one is so much better, in my opinion. And I just love the detailing on it, everything. Such a cool casting. This. All right, let's keep going. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'll show you. This is a new casting. Some people like it. I do too. It's a really nice, realistic casting of the Fiat. Doesn't seem there's been a lot of buzz about the Fiat, but I do like this casting. Put it over here. But looky, looky, looky. Very, very happy. When I did the showcase, I only got one MR2. The Matchbox had sent me, but in this case, and I don't know if this is 100%, but it does have both versions. If you are not familiar, I'll let you look for a second and try and figure it out. Try in here. Let me get the shadow so I'm in natural lighting here with the window. But if you can see it, hopefully you can. One has closed headlights, closed in quotes, and the other one has open headlights, open in quotes. Put them all together and you can see how cool that is. So nice to see that. See, the headlights are part of the window piece, and Matchbox was clever in doing that, so we get both variations, closed and open. And I hope that every case has both of these. Nice to see them in multiples for obvious reasons here. It's a popular casting, and you get both versions. I don't know if that will be 100% of the case, but I do like that. So that's a definite highlight. Happy to see multiples of that. All right, multiples of the Mini, which is fine. I wish it would have been this because this casting is fantastic. 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA Shooting Brake in black. Such a cool model. Such great art. Mini is cool too. The S Cabrio, but I'll run with the Mercedes-Benz. And to finish off, you banana fans, you guys who love your bananas, are going to be happy that there's two of the banana car. I enjoy a good banana for breakfast. I think this car is cool and clever. I wish there was multiples of some of the other models, but you know, it is what it is. And then there's the Mini Cooper. There you go. Massive highlights in this case, right? I mean, I would say it's all about the new models in this case, and then the Corvette. So you got the Mercedes, the Fiat, the Bronco. What else we got? The Corvette. But we put that over there. And then what were the other new models here that we care about? Oh, the McLaren. Glad we got two of those. And I think that's it in terms of new models. So we put those over here. And then, of course, I think the biggest highlight is that we got both MR2s. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks to A&J Toys. I'm going to continue on with this Matchbox convention, enjoying myself, finding what I can. By the time you see this, we'll have already done the live stream, so you'll be talking about the 2022 models. But I wanted to film this from Albuquerque anyway. W Case next. Stay tuned. Bye.